Imagine transforming your words into captivating videos with just a click. Welcome to the world of Sora by OpenAI. Sora, the latest innovation from OpenAI, is revolutionizing how we create videos, making it as easy as writing a story. But how does it work? Simply input your text into Sora and watch as it interprets your words, turning them into stunning videos. It's your creativity amplified by the power of AI. From educational content to marketing ads and even personal storytelling, Sora opens a universe of possibilities. No video editing skills required. Sora uses diffusion model techniques, is a type of generative model used in machine learning that creates data, like images, audio or video, by gradually refining a pattern of random noise into a coherent output. And the best part, Sora is designed for everyone. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, you'll find creating videos with Sora a breeze. Dive into the future of video creation. With Sora by OpenAI, your imagination is the only limit. Start creating today and bring your stories to life like never before. Subscribe for more updates.